Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the TCL for TSC. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I only starting from the simplest way, just switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. On the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to do it, you will find the manual for the device or maybe on your YouTube channel. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not visible on phone, go to the settings, tap on the system and choose the reset. Now tap on the reset network settings and tap on the reset settings again. Confirm pattern, tap on it again and look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. After that you can also try to update your system in the system update section, so just tap on the check for updates, and if you have any update, just download that and install. And last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.